In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio or video files to Microsoft Teams or OneDrive, enable the Copilot transcription feature, let Copilot generate text transcripts automatically, and finally review and edit those transcripts for accuracy. This process can greatly enhance team collaboration and organization when managing media files and their contents. To start, let's dive into the first step, uploading your audio or video files to either Microsoft Teams or OneDrive. Both of these platforms are incredibly useful for cloud storage and team collaboration. If you're using Microsoft Teams, navigate to the channel where you want to upload your file. Look for the Files tab at the top. Click on it and select Upload. You can then choose your audio or video file from your device. Keep in mind that video files often take longer to upload due to their large size, so having a stable internet connection is crucial. Alternatively, if you're using OneDrive, log into your account and navigate to the folder where you'd like to store the media file. Click on the Upload button in the toolbar and select your file. OneDrive will then show your upload progress, and you'll receive a notification once it's complete. Remember, organizing your files into folders makes it easier to locate them later, especially if you're dealing with multiple projects. Now, onto the exciting part, enabling the Copilot transcription feature. Many users find this to be an effective way to convert audio content into text format effortlessly. In Microsoft Teams, this feature is typically available as part of your meeting options. While creating or scheduling a meeting, navigate to the meeting options and look for the transcription settings. Make sure the transcription toggle is turned on. For OneDrive users, the process involves integrating Copilot through the Microsoft 365 interface. Ensure your account has the necessary privileges, as some enterprise settings may restrict this feature. With the Copilot transcription feature enabled, Copilot automatically begins generating text transcripts as soon as the meeting ends or an audio file is uploaded to the platform. This automation cuts down on the manual work required and enhances productivity significantly. You'll see that Copilot automatically pops up the transcripts link directly within Teams or OneDrive. Once the transcript is ready, the final step involves carefully reviewing and editing the text to ensure its accuracy. While Copilot is a powerful tool, it's not infallible and might occasionally misinterpret certain words or phrases, especially if the audio isn't clear. Open the transcript and go through it systematically, correcting any errors you spot. You can adjust the text to add any necessary context that might be missing or clarify ambiguous parts, making sure it accurately reflects the original audio or video content. By following these steps, you can leverage Microsoft Teams and OneDrive alongside Copilot's transcription capabilities to streamline your workflow and enhance your team's overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.